Welcome to Rentschler Biopharma, a leading global CDMO and pioneer in biotechnology for 150 years. As a fifth-generation, family-owned company, we stand at the forefront of manufacturing transformative medicines for patients with serious and rare diseases worldwide. We're proud to have contributed to nearly 25% of FDA-approved biopharmaceuticals in 2023, a testament to our dedication to advancing medicine to save lives together. With headquarters in Germany and Milford, Massachusetts, USA, Rentschler Biopharma has served over 160 biopharmaceutical clients globally. More than 60% of our active clients work with us for more than 5 years and on more than one project. In Milford, Massachusetts, our licensed multi-product facility offers full-service solutions along the biopharmaceutical value chain for clinical and commercial cGMP manufacturing. At the heart of our success is our team of top talent, dedicated scientists and experts who drive innovation and excellence in everything we do. With state-of-the-art facilities and a commitment to excellence, we're poised to tackle the most complex challenges in biopharmaceutical development and manufacturing. Our commitment to excellence has earned us numerous awards, including recognition most recently from Mass Econ, the Worcester Business Journal, and Engineering News Record for our positive impact on the community and our vision for the future. To meet growing demand and enhance our capabilities, we've expanded our capacities at Milford. Our new manufacturing suite houses 4 2,000-liter single-use bioreactors and added manufacturing cleanroom space, a significant investment in our future. At Rentschler Biopharma Milford, we're not just manufacturing medicines, we're shaping the future of healthcare. Here, we leverage tailored, integrated solutions supporting projects from clinical development to commercialization. With cutting-edge technology and a focus on efficiency, we're committed to empowering tomorrow's therapies today. Join us as we continue to innovate, expand, and make a difference in the lives of patients worldwide. Rentschler Biopharma, reliability you can trust.